Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable protected event logging in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So, search for registry editor in the Windows search bar and open registry editor. Go to the path HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft Windows. Now, we will create a key named event log. So, right click on Windows, select new key, name it event log. Then we will create a second key named protected event logging. Right click on event log, new key, name it protected event logging. Then we will create a dword 32-bit entry named enable protected event logging. Okay, right click new dword 32-bit value enable protected event logging. And to enable it, simply change its value data to 1. Wait. And to disable it, change this value data to 0. How do we change the value data? Double click on it to open its properties. 1 is enabled, 0 is disabled. Actually, that's for each and every key on the system, but just explaining. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.